Good morning to all my dear friends. My name is Vikas Bisoi of class 9 section A of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya, and I am here to say something about how to make the environment pollution free. Everywhere we look there are plastics. In our daily life we are also using plastics, like when we are eating we are using plastics, and when we are drinking in plastic water bottles we are also using plastic is both bone and boon for our life, because if we use the plastics in right manner and good manner, while in limited, then these are a good for our life. But if we misuse the plastic, then it can create a very big threat to our environment and human being. As we know that plastics are not disposable in a short period of time. It takes hundred of years to dispose, and this spread disease when they are out. If we dispose this into the water, then the microplastics of the plastics get mixed with the water, and it can spread disease to the aquatic animals. And if we burn the polythene, then it can create harmful gases which pollute the environment and causes many type of diseases to the animals who take the gas inside them. When plastic get accumulated on the soil, they do not allow the water to seep into the ground, which can create a decrease in the water level, groundwater level of our earth. And when we are eating hot food items or tea in a plastic cup, or storing a hot food item in a plastic box, then the microplastics of the plastic get mixed with the food, and they can cause cancer to us when we throw the garbage, or when we throw the kitchen waste by a polythene. Then the cows of the outside eat them. If they will eat, they also eat the polythene, by which they can it can cause cancer to them. At now time, cancer is a big disease. It is spread to many people, and now plastic is one of the main reason for spreading of cancer in people. The plastic bottles which are manufactured by factories, or the water stored inside them, they have a specific expiring date. After that we cannot use, or we cannot drink water from that, because that is not the expiry date of water, that is the expired date of the plastic bottle. If we And these are not reusable, so mostly people throw it to the outside, and this causes pollution to the environment. It messes the environment by garbage. Balance the use of plastics. We have to reduce, reuse and recycle the plastics. We have to avoid the uses of plastics. The steel, iron, tin, copper bottles and tiffin box should be used instead of using the plastic tiffin boxes, plastic bottles. And the polythene should be banned. Instead of polythene, we should use the cotton bags and paper bags, which are disposable in our nature. And there are many recycling factories in our country which recycle the plastics and makes the new plastic from the recycled plastics. And there are many companies which also do not use plastic in their product, like our world everyone uses toothpaste, and almost 1 billion toothpaste tubes uh, comes out from our homes. Instead of using the plastic tubes, we should use glass tubes, by which these are usable, reusable, and these do not causes harm to the environment. There are many several ways by which we can also reduce, reuse and recycle the plastics. So we should reduce the plastic, because uh, this can cause a harm to our environment. With this I conclude my debate. Thank you.